everybody, and welcome back to Tenza Motorsports. Today we have with us a 2006 BMW X3. This is the E83 chassis code, and I just had a family member pick it up recently, and unfortunately it has the tan interior, and today we are going to be cleaning that up. But before we do that, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, like if you enjoy this type of content. Also make sure to check us out on Instagram, Tenza_Motorsports. I just recently got a case of Super Clean. We're gonna be using the aerosol cans. We're gonna go through this entire car. If any of you know these older BMWs, then you know that this beige interior goes all the way onto the floor. And the downside of that is that everything that's on your shoes, on your dog's paws, the kids' shoes, everything likes to get stained and dirty. And if you look at the newer BMWs, they're mostly black on the carpet. And if they are multicolored cars on the inside, it goes all the way up to about halfway into the doors. Black on the lower part of the door. So even if you have a beige interior, it's really only like a beige panel on a black door card. So today we're actually going to be cleaning all that up, and then we are also going to be dyeing the carpet black. This will help us to keep it clean from here on out, and then I always recommend having some black carpets, like the floor mats, the rubber floor mats on top of it anyway. So I have used the Duplicolor dye before, but I've never really done carpet with it. I've done like little sections, and I've done like dash pieces and interior plastics and stuff like that, but I haven't done carpet. So it's a little bit new for me, but we're excited to get this done. We're gonna pull the car apart. Every single time I buy a new vehicle, especially one that's gonna be like a daily driver car where we're not like pulling the interior out for like a race car, we'll pull the seats, vacuum everything, scrub it. We'll use knuckle brush and use some cleaner to go through the interior and clean everything up. So looking forward to seeing kind of before and afters here. The interior wasn't taken care of the best, and so we've got a lot of cleaning to do. So let's get started. All right, so we've got everything all done, got all the paint, the floor dye all done there, and it turned out really well. I don't know how much you can see here, but this beige interior will just never ever really come completely clean. The Super Clean did a really good job of freshening up the car. It smells good, it looks really good. You just have to accept the fact that when you buy these older Beamers with this interior color, they'll just never really come clean ever again. So from here, we're just gonna put the interior back together. The two front seats come out really easily. The back seat is just a clip in. You just push it in and pop it down. Really easy interior to take apart. We did pull apart the cup holder and the e-brake and make sure to clean all that. And again, I think it turned out really well for what we had to start with. I don't know what they were doing to this car, but it was really dirty. The other thing that we've been looking into is these door nets here. Somebody's obviously overloaded those, or they're just getting old. I don't know if you can pop this cover off and just like straighten them out. I don't know, this one's pretty crunchy. I don't think there's like hardly any elastic left. But we are looking to see what we can do to fix those. Let's go take a look at the back real quick, and then we'll put this all back together and wrap this video up. So honestly, this is what BMW should have done from the factory. I don't think that having bright tan interior is a super good idea. I like the seats and everything, but all the carpet and everything, basically from your knees down, should have been black. So we're really happy with the way this turned out. So we're gonna put this back together and we'll wrap this up. All right, here we are with the car all put back together, and we could not be happier with the way this turned out. And again, could not be happier with how well this beige interior actually cleaned up, and as always, couldn't have done it without Super Clean. This was absolutely fantastic. We'll have the product links to everything we used today down in the description below. Really all it was a bunch of rags, some Super Clean. We did use a lot of this aerosol, but we also did use some of the concentrate as well for some of the spots that were like really bad. I don't know if you can see here, but there was a little bit of paint. I think you can just barely see the remnants of it, but there was like an actual big spot of paint there, and we got the majority of that out, as you could just tell there. And again, just couldn't be happier with it. We're going to continue to work on this car as we go along. This is a daily driver, and we're going to do a few mods here and there. I think I've got an extra steering wheel at the house. We might do something like that, but mostly just daily driver mods. There are going to be, so we'll go up here to the headlights real quick here. As you can see, those are pretty dingy looking. We just buffed them up today to try to help them out. The passenger side doesn't look too bad, but the driver's side isn't the best. So at some point, we're going to pull those off and replace them. Max Speeding Rods does have a headlight kit, lens kit, and so I think we'll be doing that. We're thinking about doing some halo rings in there as well. So yeah, just a lot of future projects coming up on this car, so stay tuned. Again, big thanks to Super Clean for helping us out today. Absolutely fantastic stuff, and we'll see everybody in the next video.
Bam!